Urakam sangma ubalong weneki MLA jongka sang National People's Party bat akajuko poru ubalong Myntri kata pule putih jongka sorkar jela. Mentakami ulakan tu yo Bah Ardent bahasa umat ban wengdo ya kene kecing hi usong syatkan bandawa ban pentema ya ke resolution policy dan kebak ong bakani kamat kalong kebak hia bat kabama hadu kata-kata pak kalong kom kading kabla ban thangdu ya ke jela kentopru ya ke sang VPP. Habasot nakirai jongka Supreme Court ke bersam ke beradab urakam sangma ulaong bakalong kabama bakai telah berapa sundon mau badan policy ya kena jingsatkan ke jongu ke juga por lakan tuyu Bah Ardent ba udi ban wengdo ya kena jingsatkan namar entang bakan pynjot pra ya ke jela naikan longru ke bawan ra ya ke jingjot ya ke samla jong ke jela ke bada community banyo ya ke kam kijam ke jongki hari berkadap ban pendap ya ke jing pulih.
Look, reservation policy we talk about, it's only on two factor, backwardness and inadequate representation in the public services under Article 16 of the Clause 4 of the Constitution of India. So, I am grateful and thankful to our leaders of the past, the pioneers of the state. They have designed and laid the strong foundation and pillar to the future of our state, of our children in 1972. Until today, our state people has benefited much of it. Otherwise, to have not. Therefore, the visionary foundation led by our pioneers is something that we will never forget.
VPP President Ardent was saying that there should be need for review of reservation and then only he can break the fast.
Look, there are two issues. There are two categories of leaders. Who build the house, who destroy the house. This is what seems to be now. I'm sorry today. I'm not speaking as a guru. I'm not speaking as a Rakam Sangma, but I'm speaking today as a education minister of the state. Look, we're at the risk now. If we go into the detail, so in 1992, in the case of what you call the Honorable Supreme Court has given the order in the case of Indra Sawani versus Union of India in 1992, where it has directed the government of Kerala that any reservation policy for job recruitment and appointment is not permitted to go beyond 50%. And in that connection, there was a case of Jaisri Laxman Rao Patil versus government of Maharashtra, challenging the ordinance passed by the government of Maharashtra in 2014, where the reservation to certain tribe in the state of Maharashtra was beyond 50%. And the Supreme Court has struck down that ordinance and given a verdict and circulate a notice to every state of the country, including Meghalaya. Because as of now, Meghalaya enjoying 85% of job reservation in the state of Meghalaya for our locals, for our state people.
But there was an observation by the Advocate General in a related case in Supreme Court that it is permissible.
Look, when the Honorable Supreme Court given us the notice to reply, Government of Meghalaya on 27/3/2021 has submitted our reply with justification why we are having 85% of job reservation for the state of Meghalaya, for the Khasi and the Garo and the indigenous tribes of the state. But that reply just submitted to the Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court is yet to take note of that and to have another hearing. I'm worried today if the Honorable High Court and the Honorable Supreme Court take up that matter, I'm worried today what will happen to us.
What was the stand of the government?
Like in the case of Maharashtra, I'm worrying if the Honorable Supreme Court struck down our job reservation policy, which is beyond 50% limit, I think we will be the loser. Therefore, I think I would like to appeal to every citizen of the state, every leaders of the state. We should understand the consequence of all of this drama. My friends, my elder brother, Bah Ardent, the president of VPP, is a senior leader. He's like my brother. He's an educated man. He should know the consequence of all this. If anything happen, I think I'm saying today as education minister of the state, because I think with this kind of politics and the drama, I think we are like playing with the fire. This fire will burn everybody, including the VPP, because this drama, this politics will destroy the future of our students. Many of our students of the state, they are waiting to get employment when they complete the studies based on this reservation. But if we continue to keep this drama and the politics, Supreme Court is observing very, very serious on this case. And if we keep continuing to burning this issue, anything, anytime will happen. If Honorable Supreme Court struck down our reservation policy, who will be responsible? If that has happened, the future of our people, of our students is nowhere. Therefore, friends, if it has happened in case, we don't know what will be the verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court when this reply be considered. If it is to be struck down, I think our students of the state and the young generation of the state will not be forgiven for making this, for destroying the future of our people in the future.